In spite of the fact that the pandemic is largely over for a lot of people, like where I live now, I don't see masks anymore. There's no real requirements for social distancing or whatever else. It's pretty much done with, at least here in my small town. Back in New York, where I was living until fairly recently, it was still they were actually reimposing a lot of mask mandates, but here in my small town is pretty much done with. In spite of that, though, there are still a lot of people who are struggling, trying to figure out how to make money online. And I know what that's like. I know how it felt when I started out as well. It was a real struggle to build a business online, to be able to make even my first dollar online was a real struggle. And today I make my full-time living doing this, obviously. And so I was super excited when my friend Jeremy Kennedy came out with this brand new thing. This basically is the shortcut to affiliate marketing to making real money online. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of the Super Affiliate Shortcut. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull on this successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Oh, well, okay, yeah, well, I do prefer the hat. Thank you very much. Okay, seriously. Yeah, I got new jokes, by the way, new material. Believe it or not, for those who have been following my channel for a long time, I got new material here. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't have to buy a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Yeah, I do not want the crap. I'm sorry. I don't like crap. Okay, you might like it. That's fine. Go ahead and like it. I don't like it. The people who watch my channel, they don't like it either. So go ahead and leave your crap out of it. Anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Joining us today is local entrepreneur.
Well, thank you. I am a local entrepreneur right here in my small town. I am really proud to be here, and I'm proud to be telling you all about this. And if you are new to the channel, by the way, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and make sure you like this video because it really does help. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Super Affiliate Shortcut. Now, this is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. He teamed up with somebody who's relatively new in the industry. You can see the kind of numbers these guys are making. Really good money. Okay, $6,000, $6,518.78, $3,642. Okay, these are like serious numbers, serious money. And they're going to show you the exact way that they're doing this in order to be able to make this kind of money. And by the way, it's going to cost you all of $7 in order to get this thing. It is a very, very complete course. And I'll show you the members there in just a minute. Before I do, I want to tell you about my custom modes because I have the best custom modes you're ever going to see. So a while back, I put together my own high-ticket program called Six Figure Coach. Uh, for those who are not familiar with me, I have been doing this about 3 years now. In 3 years, I've made around $250,000 in sales. It still gives me tingles to think about that, the kind of numbers I've been able to do, but I have been able to make real money online. And so I put together my six-figure coach program, teaching some of the things that I've learned about making money online. And this was my high ticket program, called $500 to get in. I am giving away the first three videos, well, actually the only three videos of the course. There's three videos that were made. I'm giving away all three videos for free when you pick this up from me for $7. So it usually costs $500. You're going to get it from me for $7. Okay, so to me that is a bargain in and of itself. But if you pick up any upgrade to the Super Affiliate Shortcut, then I'm also going to give you PLR rights. That means you get to give it away, sell it, use it as a bonus. Okay, you can repurpose it for whatever you like. and actually use it as your own product. So this really gives you a leg up, because when you're trying to sell something, you really want to have a high quality product that you can give away as a bonus. This is going to give you that high quality product to give away as a bonus. Pick up any upgrade to the Super Affiliate Shortcut, and you will be able to get the PLR rights to those 3 videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, it's a very complete members area. It's going to show you exactly what they're doing in order to create their super affiliate promotions. Okay, Jeremy's going to show you the exact way that he's able to triple his results with affiliate promotions. Also going to show you how to create eye-catching bonuses. And again, probably the biggest thing is you want bonuses that have real value, like the one I'm giving you has genuine value. Okay, I'm no longer offering the 6-figure coach program. We've moved on to something else. That's why I'm able to offer it as a bonus. But to be perfectly honest, I shouldn't be offering it as a bonus for a $7 product. It's only because this particular promotion is primarily going out to people who are relatively new on my list. I want you to get a sense that you're really going to get amazing value from me. And that's really what I try to offer to people who are new to my list. So this particular promotion, even though it's on my YouTube channel, so people who have been with me for years can see it also. The people who are emailing about it are people who are newer to my list. And obviously, if you've been on my list for years, you're welcome to it as well. Obviously, I'm not discriminating and saying, no, you can't have it. I'm just saying this is primarily intended for the people who are newer to my list, but I want you to see the kind of value that you get. Although even for me, giving away the 6-figure coach classes for $7 is ridiculous, but I want you to see the value that you're able to get from me. And so that's why I'm offering something that is so insanely valuable. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt, to the product
I tip my hat to you.
creator or not. Yes, indeed. Huge tip of my hat. Really like this course for $7, especially when you get my bonus. It's a no-brainer. Pick it up, pick up about an upgrade, and you're really going to get something that is very valuable.